Welcome to the Chic Assignment for March. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I just finished shooting the video for the Tasha Tudor book, and I realized that March is already here, so I had to shoot my Chic Assignment for March. So I'm really excited to be doing this with you. I loved it in February. I heard from so many of you on how your Chic Assignment went. So I'm still ironing out the wrinkles in this series, but the way it's going to work is at the beginning of the month, I'm going to give you your assignment for the month, and halfway through, I believe, I'm going to check in with you in a video, and feel free to leave your comments, your findings, what you're noticing on either of those videos. So you could just leave it in the comment section below. Of course, you can always comment on the blog or any video that I do. So I read all the comments, or at least I try to. And yeah, that's the way that we're going to do it. So we all had a great experience in February, and now I have some more chic assignments for you. So let's get right into it. Okay, your reaction to the Beethoven piece was interesting. Most of you liked it. Some of you really did not like that piece, but that's okay. It's good that we're exploring, you know? And today I'm actually going to assign you my favorite classical music piece of all time. Right. You're all guessing it's Adagio, but it's actually not. That's not my favorite piece. So most of you have probably heard this before, but it's Chopin Nocturne in E flat major, Opus 9, number 2. And it's just a classic. It is so beautiful. It's a short piece. It's about 4 minutes. So I'm not going to assign it for you to clean your kitchen because it'll be over and you'll still have all this work to do. But I would like to assign this song, and I would like for you to take a break and have a cup of tea and listen to this song. So you can have a cup of tea in the afternoon, listen to it. You could be flipping through a design book or reading a book or talking to somebody, but have it on in the background and just enjoy it. It's a lovely piece. It's about 4 minutes long, I believe. I have a video with Valentina Lisitsa playing it below that I will leave linked, so that's totally free. You can listen to it. I will also link different albums where you can find it on, and I'll leave all of those linked below. But I would love for you to take some time out and enjoy a nice cup of tea. If you saw my Tasha Tudor video from last Thursday, she talked about that, how people would be de-stressed if they would just take some time to sit on their porch with a cup of tea. So that's what I'm assigning you this month. We're going to take some time out. It's only 4 minutes. You're going to sit down with a cup of tea, listen to this beautiful piece, and just relax. So I would love to hear your findings as you do this in the month of March. Okay, the next thing we are going to do, and I'm going to leave this very general and broad. I'm not going to tell you specifically what to do here, but I would love for you to find a way to make doing the laundry more enjoyable. Almost all of us have to do the laundry, and for most of us, if you have a big family, it is not the most pleasurable of tasks, okay? So I want you to find a way to make it more enjoyable. And that could be anything from sipping an iced coffee while you fold laundry, to watching your favorite YouTube video, to listening to an audiobook, to listening to beautiful music. You could listen to the Chopin piece. What can you do? Can you spruce up your laundry room in a way that makes you want to go in there? Or if you don't have a laundry room, can you dedicate a place in your home where you could fold laundry or take care of it? There's so many options here, but I would like you to make your laundry routine more enjoyable and report back to us on how you did that so we could all get some ideas and inspiration for that. Okay, we are going to seek out the arts and cultivate our minds, and this month we are going to check out the paintings of Claude Monet, the very famous French Impressionist painter. And I know all of you are aware of Claude Monet and his works. I'm going to leave a website below that lists some of his works, so some of his most famous works and lesser known works. I would love for you to go and look at it and report back to me and tell me which painting is your favorite and why. And when I do the check-in, I will tell you what mine is. I would love it. Even if you don't like Impressionism, even if this isn't your style of art and you're more modern or avant-garde, I would love for you to just check it out and tell me which one resonates with you the most. So I'm going to leave that website linked below. And then finally, I have a 10-item wardrobe piece for you. We are moving into spring here. I know some of you are in the Southern Hemisphere, but you're transitioning seasons basically. So I would like you to prepare your wardrobe. Now is the time if you haven't already started. As the weather changes, so over here it's getting a bit warmer, it's time to put away your seasonal items. So put away your winter items, your snow gear, all of that stuff. It's time to put it away and think about your wardrobe for spring. So start pulling it out, write up a list of what you're going to need for the next season in your 10-item wardrobe. And so many of you will have holes. You'll say, well, I need to update a dress, I need a pair of capris, or I need a new sandal or something. So I want you to just prepare. You can go all the way and just get it all out and get ready, or you could just prepare. It just depends on where you live. For some of you, it might still be wintry, or the season that you're in just might, you know, still be there. It's just not going away. So you can't really get out the next season of clothes. But for some of you, the weather is transitioning. We're just going to be getting ready. We're getting our wardrobes ready. And the thing about the 10-item wardrobe is that it is intentional. We don't just throw everything into our closet and try to find things every morning. We put seasonal items away or just in another part of our closets. For example, my closet is huge. That's why I'm in my closet right now. I have a space where I put my coats and winter things in the closet that I'm in now. So whatever it means for you, you might put them in space bags under your bed or just store them away totally in a guest closet, whatever it is. But let's prepare our wardrobes for the upcoming season. And for most of us, that is going to be spring. Okay, there are your 4 items. I would just like to add, as a 5th item, we are always going to be reading. So continue to read a book. Continue to share what books you're reading. That's just going to be a given, but I'm not going to mention it as an assignment every month. So I hope that this chic assignment inspires you and challenges you. I will be checking back in with you in a few weeks to let you know how I'm doing. And I can't believe I'm going to say this and put this pressure on myself, but I might play that Chopin piece for you on the piano. We'll see. I'm not making any promises, but we'll see if I get to practice it you know, during this month. So I would love to hear from you, all of your thoughts on this, and please check back in with us and let us know how your chic assignment is going. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!